Hello, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to make banana pancakes. So, hair tied back, apron on, hands washed, we're ready to go. To make the pancakes we need
flour, oil, egg, banana, spoon, fork, pan, mixing bowl.
First we're going to peel and mash the banana with a fork. Mash the banana with a fork as much as you can. Now when the banana is ready, add the egg.
Crack the egg. First things first.
And mix well.
That's first.
When the egg is mixed in, add 2 tablespoons of flour.
That's a lot.
And mix well. When the flour is all mixed in, the pancakes are ready to fry. Put 2 tablespoons of oil into the frying pan. And heat it up. When the oil is nice and hot, just pour the pancake mix in. A little bit at a time to make 3 or 4 pancakes. You can use a spatula to get everything out of the bowl. When you see the edges starting to brown, you will know they're ready to be turned. Always hold the frying pan when you do that and give it another minute or so. You can check if they are ready. Yes, they are nice and golden. They are ready to come off the frying pan. Pancakes are ready to eat. You can put your favorite topping, but they're just perfect the way they are. Enjoy and see you next time.